Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough with yeast. First, you'll activate your yeast by mixing it with warm water and a small amount of sugar, letting it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Next, combine this bubbly yeast mixture with your flour, salt, and olive oil. You can choose all-purpose flour for a softer crust or bread flour if you prefer a crispier texture. This initial step is crucial for a flavorful and airy dough. Once your ingredients are combined, mix them until a shaggy dough forms. Then, transfer it to a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. This process is vital for developing the gluten, which gives your pizza dough its characteristic elasticity and chewiness. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and springs back when gently poked. The dough should be slightly tacky, but not so sticky that it's hard to handle. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours. It should visibly double in size, showing the yeast has done its job. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release air. Then, on a lightly floured surface, stretch and shape it by hand into your desired pizza base. Avoid using a rolling pin, as hand stretching helps maintain those airy bubbles for a perfect crust. Now for the best part, baking. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ideally with a pizza stone inside for a crispy crust. Bake your pizza for 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.